Tuesday afternoon, and we are back, guys. What is going on, everybody? We got Johnny J first in the chat today. Paul, Roulette Wheel, Len, Frank, Roulette, Nick, Frank, Roulette Wheel, Tim Hogan, Johnny J, Roulette Wheel, Frank, Outdoor Smile, Johnny J. We got Tim, Outdoor Smile, Johnny J. Man, you guys are just going at it. Paul, Mo G. We got Johnny J, Roulette, Crypto Racketeer, not liking the end of the day here. Cassie, Yummy Taco Tuesday. Beautiful day for Taco Tuesday, guys. So, dudes, what's happening, Brian? Pika Power in the chat. Mo G, what's going on, Mo G? Jonathan Lawson, how you doing? Sergio, bro. Pika Power, bad. Jonathan, John J, Roulette Wheel, Keith Kemp, Mr. Simon, first. Yes, you are. First and last. I saw another last there. Sergio, bro. What's going on, Mr. Simon? Roulette Wheel, Cassie, Pika, AMC Trapper. What's happening, my man? Frank, Paul, Mr. Simon, and Jonathan. Guys, let's go over to the market and see what we got going on over there. We've got AMC down 8.77% right now, sitting at 21.26. Shiba Inu coin 27.23. GameStop 153.05. Farmy trying to break even on the day. Farmy sitting at 14.94. We've got the Nasdaq down 2.5%, guys. 2.35% lower on the market for today. That's a drastic decline. We've got Prague sitting at $1.17, barcoding all afternoon. We've got Sundial sitting at 64.68, Mullen Auto 271, CEI 80.52, the SPY sitting down 1.5%. My goodness. BBIG at $2.99, and Highcroft Mining $2.09, almost $2.10 on the day right now. Highcroft does seem to be at a level of support. Is that what this $2.08 line is? Let's see. Yes, does seem to be a level of support right here that Highcroft is at. Let's hope it holds and not folds and comes back down to that $1.20 mark. So $2.10 going to be significant on Highcroft Mining. We can watch that close out as GameStop closes out and AMC closes out as well. No more meows. Jonathan Larson, until somebody sends a super sticker, then I got a meow, my man. If you're a respectful driver and have lots of amigos, drive crazy, and you make enemigos. Ooh, Daniel Suarez. Drive Casey and you make enemigos. We like No, we don't like enemigos, guys. We like amigos. Trevor Simon, what's happening, man? Outdoor Smile, what's up, bro? Yes, true that, Frank. True that. Tuesday, red day equals buy the dip. Buy the taco dip, man. Buy the Taco Tuesday dip. You can't go wrong doing that. Sup, bros? Hope everyone is having a great day. Zachary. Zachary. I'm having a great day, man. I hope you're having a great day as well. Look at the PR department for Claybro Inc. I get paid in car stickers. Boom. I think I owe Pika Power a sticker pack. I don't know, man. I think I owe Pika Power a sticker pack. That's just me thinking, but I'm not exactly sure. I want to know what you guys think about that. We might be able to take some sort of a poll or something like that sometime soon. Man, Farmy trying to get back some of the gains it's got there turning red. Really trying to turn green. It's going to be interesting to see how that one plays out in the next 7 minutes to see if it closes green. Farmy's green day right here. The green line on the day is 14.96. If it closes above 14.96, it ends green on the day. If it closes below, it ends red on the day. Very interesting to see how that one's going to work. $2.10 on Highcroft Mining right there. Clay, you should make videos of yourself sneaking up on peeps in the grocery store and meowing there. Outdoor Smile. I don't know, man. I don't know about that. That would be extremely weird. And I might get punched in the face, dude. I don't want to get punched in the face. That would hurt. GameStop having a nice little candle right there, going up to $154, not $1.54, $154.34 right now. Looking very good. Hopefully that action continues. Still down 9.65%. AMC not following suit. We need some green candles on AMC here. Actually, it's kind of following suit. Look. Those are almost the identical candles. Look at this. Look at these candles right here. These candles are almost identical. You get GameStop's candle right there. AMC's candles right here. Almost identical, man. Come on. You can't tell me it's not. Those two candles, very interesting. Punches get views for days. Outdoor Smile. Actually, that might work then, man. That might work. Could you imagine me going up in some like old lady's ear and be like, meow, meow. And then, dude, she like clocks me right in the face, busts my jaw. That would hurt. That would hurt, and I would not want to get hit by an old lady. Bro, if you don't buy some Blue Sparrow, you're going to regret it. Remember this day. AR, I will remember this day. And I hope that I don't regret it, dude. Oh my gosh. I don't want to regret it, man. You live with so many regrets in life. Buying on Blue Sparrow is not one that I want to live with. I'm not going to lie, dude. I don't think Ohio people would put up with that. Punched or shot from yelling in a stranger's ears. Cassie, yeah, man. I don't want to get punched. You could... I don't know, but I feel like they would not take kindly to me me meowing in their ears. They would be very confused as to what I am doing. Let's see. Come on, Farmy, what are you doing here, man? You're supposed to close in the green today. You're supposed to just connect all. There you go. All right, you're listening. Yep, you're listening. Yep, it's listening. Farmy is listening. Thank you for listening. Closing the green now there, Farmy. Get some green candles. Nope. Don't want to do that. Hold on now. Hold on. Yep. You do want to do that. There you go. That is what you want to do there. You want to close in the green. You just got to talk to it, guys. That's all you got to do. All you got to do is talk to that line there, and it'll do what you want it to do. It's okay, Farmy. You can close above 15 today. Yeah, you can close above 20 if you want, man. I'll adjust the chart for you if you really want to go on a run, but it's okay. Stay above that 15 now. That's a good boy. It's a very good boy. Newfo! Thank you for the super chat. Newfo says, let's see it, Clay. Meow. 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 Hey, this is for Newfo if he's wearing headphones. Newfo, that was for you, man. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Absolutely appreciate it. Who wrote 7 pairs of bull put spreads, entered at lunch, not one of them filled, withdrew all orders, and will try again tomorrow. Frank, hopefully you get it, man. Hopefully you get it and you make some sick money on those. Dude, watch Frank, man. Frank's probably over there making like $1,200 a day. Trading options. Meanwhile, we're here meowing. Oh my God, Frank's killing it. If Clay wears a cat costume, goes up to old lady saying meow, then they wouldn't punch him, no? Meta pockets, you might be right. If I was wearing a cat costume, they probably wouldn't punch me. Trapper gets tingly when you let's get started. Congrats on being nominated as one of the best Shiba YouTubers on Milkshake's poll. Will you be attending their proposed event? Did she do did she do an actual poll with who they would like to see there? So yeah, dude, look. I would definitely hang out with them and do some sort of an Ask Me Anything, as long as it wasn't like, at midnight or something weird. I wouldn't have no problem with that. Also, here's the thing too, though, that makes me a little bit, I don't know, skeptical is not really the right word, right? Regardless, you guys can figure out the word. You get that Stephen Cooper dude, and he was like all about Burns, and then he quits. You got some of these developers, man, like that Pennywise dude out on Twitter. They're like, man, and Shitoshi, he was the same way when you didn't really believe in wellies. These dudes, man, they do not let you show any sort of disagreement whatsoever without acting a little weird on Twitter and, trying to roast you and say things that they shouldn't be saying. So I don't know about that aspect of it, because clearly I got a different opinion than a lot of these people on a lot of stuff, and I stay skeptical of people. But yeah, dude, I'll do it. I'll hang out with them. I'll talk to them. I think that's cool. AMC trying to close below $21 per share today, and I think they might be able to accomplish that. Sitting here with less than 1 minute left in the day, 2101, 2101, 2101. We are 2102, 02, 02, 01, 01, 01, 01, 01, 2101, 2102, 2101, 2103, 2103, 2103. We're sitting at 2103. What time is it, man? I thought it was, my clock's wrong. Now we're in the last minute of the day. 2105. Let's go 2105. We got, okay, 2108. We're not even close to be closing below $21 per share today. 2110. Ooh, rolling back. AMC. Getting that green, baby. Get that green candle. Oh, yeah. Keep going. Keep going. AMC. Keep it climbing. Keep it climbing. 2120. Oh, 2123. Keep it going, AMC. We like that activity late in the afternoon. Oh, yeah. No. Don't you give that. Keep it going, AMC. We like that green candle. We like that green candle a lot. Guys, that's the type of action that I want to see into the close right here. 2118 looking good at 2118. Green right there at 2118. Not on the day, but on this candle. 2118 right now. Going to close at 2118. 2118. 2118 down 9.16% right now. 2118. 2119. 2118. 2117. 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20. 2121. 2121 right there. We're going to have a close at 2121, guys. I'm calling it right now. 2121 is going to be the close. We're sitting at 21.21 right there, and 21.21 was the close. Unofficial, we could see it settle, and now it's got some volatility coming in after hours. Look at this nonsense right here. Oh my goodness. Dude, Farmy was sitting at 15 beautifully, and in the last minute there, it decided to drop down to 14.77. Nonsense, ladies and gentlemen. GameStop, loving the after hours action right there, jumping up to 154.95. Nonsense on this stupid candle. It would have closed green, but they beat it into red. A 23.23 cent drop in the last 1 second of the day. Would have closed green, but instead closed red. Interesting. Highcroft Mining closed at $2.10, down 6.67% there. We've got Prague closing the day at $1.17. Sundial closed at $64.60. Molinado $2.72. CEI $80.40. The Spy $4.51. BBIG closed at $2.99. And let's watch Highcroft Mining. Let's we got some action going on here in Farmy or something, but it doesn't seem to be that way. We're sitting at 14.90 right now. If anything starts bumping, we'll watch that. But let's keep Highcroft on here for right now. I'm actually trying to get to $1,000 to $1,200 a week in premiums earned. I can probably retire around that point. Frank, I love it, man. I love it. I hope you get that. Yeah, dude. Look, man. If you're able to generate $1,000 a week, yeah, I would say you could, man. Because if you can do it now, there's nothing to say you can't do it in perpetuity. Clay. Hey. What's up, Mariana? How are you doing, Mariana, the dog whisperer? How's your day going? Entire market is down. Newfo, the entire market got beat today. NASDAQ closed 2.25% lower today. Very, very hard hit for the overall market. Clay Bidding Show, Idle Darkness. Did I win the bid or did I lose the bid? I don't actually know. Shiba has enough burns without Kubrick Entertainment. A burn party in February 14 was the biggest bust, knowing Matt did more burns than Kubrick's burn party. Yeah, look, man. Look, nobody needs anybody, right? But it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to have somebody doing something, right? That's the part that I don't understand. Sure, we could have one guy burning. Great. Or we could have two guys burning. Always better to have two guys burning than it is to just have one guy burning. I think it was 5, and I bought some Blue Light Special sneakers. Cassie, there you go. Kmart Special. Do you think today was an overreaction and correct tomorrow? Mike, man, I hope so. The NASDAQ, if we look at a daily chart, we can see the NASDAQ really, really bouncing in between these levels of support and resistance. So last week, it came up, touched 14.6, dropped all the way back down to support at 14.250. This 14.2 level, tried to break resistance yesterday and ended up falling back down today. Really channeling right now between 14.5 and 14.2. So, yes, we will have to see which direction it decides to go. I'm hoping for a bounce back tomorrow off this support level and a retest to this 14.5. If not, man, I'm not too happy about where the next level of major support is down here. Minor support would probably be in this area at like 13.8. So, those are levels I'm keeping my eyes on when it comes to the NASDAQ. So hopefully it happens. But AMC, same deal. 20 is the major level of support that I've got on AMC. But it may be touching these wicks here. And hopefully it holds up at 21. If not, I'm looking at 20 before we see a bounce. But dude, I mean, we could bounce off 20 after hours pre-market and start rolling from there. So I'd be okay with it either way. I just don't want to see a breakdown through 20. You know what I'm saying? Nobody wants to watch it go down. Everybody wants to watch it go up. I did 2 guys. They're called Hot Boxes. Nice, man. Outdoor Claybro live tomorrow. No, I actually think there's like an 89% chance of rain all day tomorrow. Tomorrow was supposed to be pretty nice, like 66 degrees. But I think it's supposed to rain all day. I think Stephen Cooper got embarrassed. Decided to accept the roulette wheel. Yes, probably. But I also think that the developers kind of do the same thing to themselves. You know what I mean? Like Satoshi. When Satoshi hyped up the Wellies deal, he got embarrassed and really kind of acted out when people were voicing their concern on Twitter. And now he just removes a lot of his comments from his posts. This Eric dude that is also a developer. Dude, if you disagree with these guys, it's like, You can't. They don't let you disagree with them. They just try to beat you up instead of, I don't know, doing what they want to do with the project and letting everybody else do what they want to do with the project, like a decentralized coin actually is. Yo, Andrew, what's going on, man? I don't know what a hot box is. I like hot pockets. Those are good. Weird Chip Bro. J-Bones. Actually, I did take a picture of Chip Bro today. I got a bowl full of like granola seeds, walnuts, and dried cranberries outside. And Chip Bro came, and I saw him eat out of it twice today. I don't think he ate a lot today, but I did see him eat out of it twice. And I actually took 2 pictures of him. So he is out there. He is out there. It's nice today. It says it's raining off and on. I did not see any rain today, so I don't know why the weather would be saying that. But it's probably like 57, 60 degrees outside, and he's been hanging out there. Could you trust to stake your cryptos on Celsius? What about Pinex? What about Pinex? Yeah, so I don't use, Mariana, I don't use Celsius or Pinex, but I would trust the staking. If they're centralized exchanges or larger platforms, yes, I would trust the staking process. The only thing that you should really, or the major things that you should be looking at, not just the only thing, but the major thing you should be looking at is how long do you have to stake your coins for? If you've got to stake them for like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, a year, something like that, or even a month, you got to make that decision. Is the 10% staking, annualized staking rewards worth not being able to sell for the next 6 months? If you think that the coin is going to double in price over the next 6 months and you would like to take your profit on it, but you've got those coins staked and you can't, you don't have access to them for the next few months, then you're not going to be able to sell them if the price runs up. So you have to look at that. Oh my gosh. You have to look at that too and determine what's right for you when it comes to staking and how long you have to lock it up for. Clay, I'm seeing stake websites. Then your bros trust. Oh my gosh, I want to see Chip Bro. He sounds adorable. Chip Bro is adorable, man. I should post. Maybe if I could take a better picture. I took a picture through the screen today. If I could take a better picture of him, if he's down there after the live, then maybe I'll post a picture on Twitter. But yeah, through the screen, it was just a little blurry. Chip Bro has a main. Clay Bro is just, Chip Bro is the main, man. I'm just a side piece, but it's okay, man. Either way. Sounds like a good time to me. Hey, we need more polls. We do need more polls. Pika Power, give us a poll. I want to do a poll right now. Let's see. Awesome. I have not seen my Chip Bro chipmunks yet this spring, but we have been below freezing still. Cassie. Yeah, it's actually a little bit nicer here. Today, 57 degrees, but a little cloudy. It wasn't like there was no really sun, so it wasn't like a warm 57, but Chip Bro was out and about hanging out today. And there was a black squirrel out there too. And there's actually, so I know exactly where this groundhog lives. There's a groundhog out there. And I know exactly where his hole's at. Coke or Pepsi poll. We've already done that. And I'm pretty sure it was 50-50. Staking for long holding, Clay. Like, what's the use of all the coins I have if I am not selling? So Idle Darkness, yeah, if you're not selling, man, and you don't plan to sell on a run-up, I would stake them. I would earn some sort of passive income on them. If you have a really long-term approach to crypto investing and you're like, dude, 5 years from now is when I want to sell. I don't care what it does in the meantime. Yeah, stake them. Stake them. Earn that passive income. Grab that 10%, 20%, 30% a month and, make some money along the way. See the movements in Ding Dong and Nuts. Anybody holding? I did not see the movements in Ding Dong and Nuts. No, Mellow Mamas. 10% is good. 10% is great, man. 10% is a great return if you don't plan on selling. And if you just want a coin that's going to generate like 10% return, I believe Gemini. In Gemini's stable coins, it's $1. I believe the returns are 8%. So if you guys are solid with an 8% annualized return, dude, you can go grab Gemini, stake Gemini on Gemini's app on their platform, and you're making 8%. You're not going to gain any more than 8%. There's no capital appreciation or capital depreciation, but, dude, 8% staking fee right there. Be like grabbing a preferred share with an 8% dividend and never looking back. Thank you, Clay. Mariana, absolutely. Chipmunks are cool until they move into your stored vehicle. I would still think it's cool. I'd still think the chipmunk's cool. Unless he didn't like me. Then I'd be like, dude, come on. No. You can't do this if you don't like me. But I think Chip Bro likes me, so I'd let him stay in my vehicle too. Hood Bro, gonna take Kenny G's job. Chip Bro 2024. Let's go. Dude, I don't know if I would want Kenny G's job, but I'll take it. Cool. Black Squirrel. We don't have any here, but my last place we had one. I named him Obama, which now I think about it's probably disrespectful. No. Why would that be disrespectful? You can name a squirrel whatever you want to name a squirrel, man. No, this Black Squirrel, dude, he walks around my backyard like all day long, and he digs like tiny little holes trying to bury some nuts like all over the backyard. He won't approach me, though. He will not approach me yet. I could try to make friends with him this spring. But I know, I have an idea of where he lives, too. One of those trees. I get this little hole in the tree, and I've seen him go into it before. Gonna check it out. Idle Darkness. Good deal, man. A Doge or Shiba poll. I guarantee Shiba wins in here, man. I mean, we could do a Doge or Shiba poll, but I can guarantee you Shiba wins. Cool. Tell me which one you guys like better, Doge or Shiba. I think Shiba is going to win this one, but that's me. And answer fast, because I hate having these polls up here, because I can never see what the... I can never see the latest comments. Libro, Ford looking at possible MACD cross on the 30-minute would be good for calls tomorrow. I'll be watching in the pre-market. Frank, man, I can't believe that Ford was back down into the 15s today, man. It is getting hit hard lately, isn't it? My goodness. Yes, yeah, but by how much? Doge or Shiba? We're about to find out. Roulette wheel. Jose Garcia was good. Good deal. A beautiful day in Massachusetts. Brian, beautiful day in Ohio today, but a little cloudy, man. A little cloudy. Shiba's winning by 80. Well, Shiba's at 80%, and Doge is at 20% right now. Any other comments? Guys, get those things answered quick, because I don't really want to let that go. Go Shiba Army. Go Shiba Army. Yusuf. Yes. I do want to see. Somebody was talking about that. Okay, Milkshake. I want to see Milkshake's Twitter. Okay. What is this? Well, to get Twitter to the hub misinformation of their projects, you're taking advantage of it by fueling the fire. Oh, right, because Discord's the only way to go now. The problem is you airdrop something entirely random. Shiba developers only gave airdrops 2,000 Shiboshi holders. No, there were no airdrops. 2,000 holders were selected as a bonus only. There's nothing special about those lands. Supposed to be available during the next phase, blah, blah, blah. People have lost faith in Shib. We have lost 67,000 holders in a month. There are many factors for that state. Recently, India announced to be changing 30% tax on profits. Yeah. Considering India a major holder, blah, blah, blah. Get that out. Closing accounts after the 10th of April in some regions. Okay. Due to blockchain to exchange wallets move despite the constant. Shiba saw an increase from 22 to 29. Developers have given up on Shiba. That's why Bone is gas token, not Shiba. It doesn't even have a use case in the metaverse. Oh, again, just misinformation being passed around on Twitter. Accounts with bloated followers. Shiba cannot possibly be used as gas token because developers don't have the keys. Exactly, man. The developers can't do anything at all to Shiba Inu coin. Nobody does. She was truly decentralized and mostly owned by exchanges. How Ryoshi's vision was, and it was in his old Medium post. Right. If Ryoshi ever even existed. Now, Shib the Metaverse, the possibilities are endless when it comes to this amazing project. Of course they are. Rip everybody else's viewpoint and then make yours sound like the promised land. The possibilities are endless when it comes to this amazing project. Shiba's already had use case to unlock land resources as well as burn mechanism. I don't see how the developers ignored Shiba. Who knows what the future developments hold? So ending by saying just do some research, join Discord, and actually talk to the team instead of assuming. Talk directly to the developers here. Cheers. Man, these guys, man, they get the best project in the world, right? They're right and everybody else is wrong. I do want to see if... Did Milkshake mention me anywhere, though? No. Milkshake did not. Who just mentioned this one? Okay, I don't know where I saw that. I'll come back here. All right, we're taking this poll down. Thank you to everybody who answered. Shiba Inu coin 76%. Dogecoin got the rest. Appreciate all you guys. Let's see. Shib, hopefully we go up by tomorrow with Bitcoin Miami. I also hope so, Jose. It's voting for Shiba. Doge, show yourself, man. Show yourself. Clay's question is for you and everyone. Where can I stake Shiba? You can stake Shiba on Shiba Swap. It would be where you can, and then you can own burn if you want to do that. Shibaswap.com, I believe. Or actually, you might be able to do it on shib.io now. They might have a link out to it. But Shiba Swap is where you can stake your Shiba Inu coin and earn BOM. Did Shiba get a contract with Champion Clothing? No, Zachary, they did not. Seems really funny how it barely came out with Bitcoin. ATM is accepting Shiba right before Bitcoin Miami. Yeah, man, everybody will always want a little bit of hype right there, right? And then you can go and check it out. Awesome stream today, man. Really enjoyed it. Got to step away real quick. I popped my, oh my gosh, Assidious. Thank you for being in here, and enjoy the rest of your afternoon. It sounds a little weird, but wait, Clever has Discord, send link. I actually do have a Discord, but I'm not like in any Discords or posted anything to Discord ever, but I do have a Discord. I don't know if that means like I have a room on Discord or how Discord actually works, but I do have one. Nothing official. Good afternoon, Brother Clay. Shaolin, good afternoon to you. Clay, do you know what happened to Save Spirit Airlines? My coworker says he cannot sell, and when you look at it on Webull, it says close. Can you check, please? Oh, that's daily. Yeah, I don't know why it's not trading after hours. Okay, so I guess Frontier offered to buy Spirit Airlines, and JetBlue just came in with an offer 40% higher than Frontier's offer, which would, I guess, be around $27 or $28 per share, because it's a $3.6 billion offer at $26.92. The market cap is $2.92 billion. So probably $28-29 billion, $28.29 per share offer on Spirit Airlines here, but why it's not trading after hours, that part I do not know. I would imagine, like, if this is trading just fine, I would imagine you're going to have access to be able to sell it tomorrow, but I do not know why it's not available for after hours trade. That part I don't know. I haven't looked at Spirit Airlines in a while. Drop that Discord link, bro. Yeah, I don't even... How do I do that, though? How do I do that? AMC Trapper. It's literally clay, bro. Like with the O, like it is. Well, I don't know how to do it. I'll have to find it later because I'm using my phone as the camera right now. Shib to $1. Weird Wolf Gaming. I hope so. Was there a merger? Yeah, Nufo. So it seems like JetBlue made an offer at maybe $27, $28, $29 per share. So I don't know if they've accepted it yet. That was literally just the offer. Hero save was suspended right before the close. Ryan, gotcha. Most likely on that offer then. Most likely on the offer by JetBlue. I don't know if they're going to come out tomorrow morning and it's going to be tradable or not, but thank you, Ryan. Appreciate that, man. Shiba to $1. Dude, if Shiba goes to $1, yes, it's going to blow everybody's minds across the globe. It's going to be a $500 trillion valuation. It's not going to be easy, guys, for Shiba to go to $1. But if it did, how many millionaires would there be out there? There would be over 1 million millionaires. I can guarantee it. How can it be free market if they suspend trading whenever they feel like it? Roulette wheel. Because, man, they have to watch out for you, okay? They call it a free market, but they just want to make sure that you don't do anything to hurt yourself. That's why. If they think it's too dangerous or too risky, they want to protect you from you. And they're gonna stop you from being able to trade, okay? They don't want you making too much money now. If you made too much money, you wouldn't rely on them anymore. You wouldn't be stuck. They don't want you making all that money. I think if it halts into the close, the market has to actually be open to resume trading. Gotcha. So it absolutely. I don't know if it actually would have halted right there. They may have actually suspended it based on the offer amount, because if it would have halted, it probably would have halted in here. 1, 2, 3. I mean, you would have expected 20. It's 10% there. That's in the last couple minutes of the day, though. I don't know, man. You would have expected it to halt in this area right here, but it didn't. It does seem like it did get suspended here 15 minutes before the close, though. Because this is at 3:46. This candle's at 3:46, and you get a tick here right at 4 o'clock with 0 volume on this tick. So it does seem like it got suspended 14 minutes before the close. Yeah. I don't know why, but average volume 5 million. There's a lot of shares traded in the last couple minutes. But 14 minutes before the close, it does look like they suspended it. And I don't know why they would have done that. Unless they just want to investigate the offer. Oh, after hours, guys, we've got GameStop sitting 0.26% higher. Prague is up 0.5%. Farmy is at 14.88 right now. Could have ended green on the day, but it did not. Sitting at 14.88 right now, 0.74% after hours. Sundial 0.33%. 0.31%, sorry. Mullen Auto down 1%. CEI down 0.25%. SPY is about break even. BBIG up 0.33%. And Highcroft Mining 0.48% lower. I don't want to drop it like a rock. I didn't want to drop like a rock. Well, Moji, good. I highly doubt, though, that they drop like a rock if they've got an offer for... How many shares outstanding does Save have? Oh, here's where we want to go. How many shares outstanding? 108 million, 108.6 million. I mean, honestly, it looks like that offer came in at about $33 per share. So you might actually see it. You might actually see an increase tomorrow when it opens back up. Because if they came in with a $3.6 billion offer and there's 108 million shares outstanding, that's $33 a share. So Spirit could absolutely go higher tomorrow if JetBlue legitimately offered them $33 per share. Rigged? Yeah, dude, it might be rigged, but I I don't know. Maybe they don't want people going in and just buying it right now at the $33 per share. I don't know what the deal is with that. Because if JetBlue offered them $33 per share, it's guaranteed money if you get in before $33 per share. I have 18 mil. Let's go. A bad takeover. If you have 18 million Shiba, let's go to $1, man. I want to see with $18 million. Market manipulation. Could be, man. What stock is halted? Spirit Airlines. SAVE is the ticker. Hey, bro. Yesterday I learned something that is good to do to prevent getting hacked. It is important to close the tabs that have websites linked to your wallets like Uniswap. Yeah, AR. That would actually be a pretty good idea, man. Anytime you guys leave your wallet linked or open somewhere, I mean, you're just kind of like leaving it open. Kind of like letting your wallet sit on the table, I guess. By the way, happy Taco Tuesday. Nufo, by the way, I appreciate that, man. I do not know if I will be eating tacos today, but I do love Taco Tuesday. Hey, Clay, could you tell me the pros and cons on scalping? Yeah, so if you're going to be like day trading and scalping, is that what you're talking about? JMJ, man. Let's just start with the pros. If you're good at it and you can max it out, you're going to be making a lot of money. You're playing to the upside, playing to the downside, getting in, getting out. You would essentially be taking advantage of every little micro move as well as the overall move of the market. So, perfect scalp, dude, you can walk away with 100% a day, right? They might have 100 trades per day, but you'd be walking away with some serious gains. Cons to scalping. You're not gonna get it right. You're not gonna hit it 100%. You could run into loss after loss after loss, and all of a sudden, if you want to keep doing it, you got to have tight stop losses and tight exits. You can't let your losers just get out of hand. So you could hit 1% loss, 1% loss, 1% loss, 1% loss all day long. And even if you stress out all day, I mean, what are you gonna do? Walk away with 1% gain, 1% loss, 1% gain, 1% loss, gain, 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 loss, loss, gain, loss, 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 gain, loss, gain, 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 loss. It can just, dude, it can get so stressful for you to make the same amount that you could have made if you would have just held for an entire year and never even worried about making a trade. So it's got its pros, it's got its cons. It's like switching lanes, dude. The more often you switch lanes, the more dangerous it becomes. You can get there a little quicker. You might have a little bit more fun. But either way, you're still getting to the same destination. Libra got halted first, came out of the halt and gapped up, and then got suspended. Dude, you were watching it then, weren't you? Well, look. 38, 39... 44. So yes, okay, did get halted right here. It did get halted at 39. Opened up even higher and then got suspended 14 minutes before the close. Good deal. Thank you for looking at it a little bit closer. I was actually not looking at these two compared to this one. I was just looking at 44, 45, 46, and then the 4 o'clock close. So yes, did gap up here as it should have with the circuit breaker gap. Moving up more than the stock, $26. Probably more than a 20% move. No, maybe more than a 15% move. More than a 15% move. Or it could even be 10%. Maybe more than a 10% move in the last, half hour, 35 minutes of trading. Halted. And then that's when it gapped up here and got suspended. So you are absolutely correct. And look, guys, look. Isn't it crazy that a stock can halt and then continue to go up? Everybody always thinks a halt just kills everything. Definitely not the case here. Halted on the way up and just continue to soar right after. Everybody always thinks it's a halt. Is it like a terrible idea? Taco Tuesday. Rudy, let's get it, man. Be a lane splitter. You can get there faster, man, but it's going to be dangerous. I've already added save to my gamble watch list for options trading for tomorrow morning. Nice. Frank, look, dude, read about it tonight, man. Honestly, read about save tonight. If save got some options on it and you read and you determine that, yes, JetBlue is offering $33 per share. If save opens up anywhere under $33 per share and JetBlue's got a legitimate offer at $33 per share, if it's accepted, your share is going to go up to $33 per share. So think about that. I mean, look into it tonight and get ready for tomorrow if you guys are wanting to trade some save. Wagme Games is soon to go to the moon. It's had some hard gains last week. Shares are 0.000016. Bad takeover. It's extremely cheap, man. See Ari, wow. Ari Clay, you did a video, a step-by-step tutorial, which was amazing on how to set up a trust wallet. Please help me find that video. What's the title? Mariana, I don't remember. I think that had to do with Meta token. Maybe how to buy something along the lines of like how to buy Meta token on Trust Wallet. I would look that up because I don't remember. I think I was doing Meta. I was doing that for Meta token. So check that out. How to buy Meta token on Trust Wallet. Where are we at here, guys? GameStop up 0.6% after hours. Prog up 0.85. Really? Looking at those candles. That's only 2 cents. Farmy sitting up 1.15% right now. 14.94. Man, it was above 15 before the close. And then that's crazy. That's 1%. AMC down 0.42% after hours. Sundial down 0.25%. Mullen Auto down 0.75%. CEI almost 1%. SPY sitting break even after hours. BBIG still at 0.33%. Highcroft Mining flat after hours. Not a lot of action going on after hours today. Shiba Inu tacos. Nom nom. Crypto 211.12 or 211.2 crypto. I would love some Shiba Inu coin tacos, man. That would be beautiful. I would eat those. Thoughts on AMC now. Newfo, man. I'm still looking at that $20 level of support to hold up. I still believe in the squeeze. I still think that AMC can absolutely tear it up. But having pulled back from the recent run here, I mean, look, guys, we still have to remember, we're doing so much better than we were 3 weeks ago. And AMC sitting at $13 is nowhere near the $21 that it's sitting at right now. So we're still doing much better than we were 3 weeks ago. But looking at this candle today, we're most likely going to bounce off $20 tomorrow. If we don't bounce off of it, even intraday, yeah, the next level below that's this 1650 level. So I do not want to get below this purple line here. I do not want to be testing these orange lines. I want this $20 level to hold up. So hopefully it bounces off at intraday, pre-market, or whatever, and moves back to the upside. But that would be my thoughts on AMC. Excellent Monday last week, and we're still above where we were Monday last week. Shiba Inu coin coming back down a little bit, giving up some of those gains that it had earlier when it ran up to 2,800 points per coin, sitting at 2680 right now. Testing this level of intraday support that it has here in this 2680 range. So hopefully that holds up. This line right in here holds up, and we do not test the lower 26s, but it does seem like it's wanting to come down a little bit right now. And then Highcroft Mining really barcoding after hours here. Hello, everyone. Frodo, what's going on, man? How to buy Facebook. Oh, no. 2112, keep the vids coming. 2112, yes, 2112, 2112, 2112. I always have to remember 2112 because I always want to say 211, but no, it's 2112. 2112. Got you, man. I've got you. Watching after hours, AMC down slightly right now, but it's okay. Oh, going back up. Turn signals, who uses them anyways? I do. Thoughts on Taco Tuesday coin? It would definitely take off, especially if you got random airdrops of taco coupons or something. Taco Tuesday coin would definitely take off, man. Debating whether to take my Solana gains. Moji! I mean, I truly think that Solana's got long-term potential, but it has had some amazing gains over the last week. Solana, right here. Over the last month, really. We've seen Solana bounce up nicely, right at this level of resistance. So, look, we got stuck right in this resistance level here. If it does decline, it's not going to decline too much, man, but you are looking at a 10% drop coming back into this $1.15 or $115 range. So this is the level I'd keep my eye on here, and then maybe down in this area right in here. So $100, 110, 111, 115 bucks, drop, and then potentially drop back down to a $100 range right there. So yeah, dude, if you think it's going to continue dropping and you want to get back in here at 110, those are the levels that I would be looking at. Great Rush album. Strict Tides, right? Good. Did the hedges even cover last week in the money calls at all? So Diego, yes, I would imagine that they did cover those call options that they sold that ended up in the money. As far as like covering shorts, I don't think they covered any shorts last week. Trying to get rid of a zero on Shiba so I can buy some land. Jose, real land or Shiba Inu coin land, like Shib Metaverse land? It's possible during the squeeze we won't be able to sell or exercise our call options. So Matt, it's possible that you may not be able to sell them if they're not making the market. But during the squeeze, I would imagine that there will be drastic increases in volatility and drastic increases in options prices because of this increase in volatility. What I would imagine you will also see is a drastic increase in the spread, the difference between the bid and the ask. So if you're looking, let's just play out a little scenario. If you're looking at, the $150 call options or $100 call options or something, and let's say you bought those for this week, all of a sudden, man, if we wake up tomorrow and the hedge funds decided to close, this is a hypothetical scenario, and the squeeze actually does happen this week. If AMC is trading at $800 a share, there is a very high likelihood that, yes, there could still be a lot of buyers and sellers of call options, right? But because the market makers are making the market and allowing you to buy and sell your call options, I would imagine you're going to see a ridiculous spread. You might see your call options at a $100 strike trading for dude, I don't know. The bid might be, oh god, at that price, $80. Dude, the bid might be $700 and the ask might be $500. I don't know. There might be a huge difference in the spread there. Let's see where we're at. What does the spread look like right now? Let's try to find AMC. So yeah, if you're looking at really tight options here, and the bid is 90 cents and the ask is 94 cents. If you're looking at this and the volatility drastically increases because it's the squeeze, this might not end up being 900 and 940. This might end up being 900 and 1500 or 2000. You could see a drastic difference in the bid and the ask price simply because the market makers are still making the market, but they're taking advantage of the volatility and making the market, but making sure they make a ton of money as they're making it as well. So that's something that you should look at if you're worried about selling your call options. I think you would be able to. You're just most likely going to get hit really, really hard on the spread. Are they edible coins? Cassie, yes. If you airdrop taco coupons, they would be edible coins at that point. Took my Solana game yesterday. It was nice. Tim, very nice, man. Thanks, bro. Moji, absolutely. Twitter spat between Stephen Cooper and Satoshi. Couldn't find out what it was about. Brindalero. So I think that, I don't know exactly what the deal between Satoshi and Cooper would have been. But Cooper, man, he says he's bowing out and stepping out of Shiba Inu coin. You got a lot of people telling him that he was a fraud and a scam and he was only in it for followers and whatever. Regardless, man, the dude made a decision not to talk about Shiba Inu coin anymore. And instead of just letting the dude move on with his life, you got people bashing him. And it's really weird, dude, when developers, like leaders of the project, get involved with bashing people that are part of the community. It's very weird to me. But they were going back and forth, most likely because of that. Ding ding! It changed my life forever. Good deal, man. Ding dong? Ding dong. Who changed his life forever? Ding dong. Yeah, like that sound on TikTok, right? This is where he says bullish, but we need another 6 to 8 months for MOAS, and then it's years, and then it's years. Me? This is where I say bullish? Yeah, dude. Listen, I am bullish on AMC, right? I'm not bullish on AMC's fundamentals whatsoever. You guys don't have to worry about me being bullish on their fundamentals. Not bullish on the underlying value of the stock, but I am bullish on the fact that one day these shorts will have to cover. And when they do, stock price is most likely going to go through the roof. So I'm definitely bullish on the price of AMC. Corruption is a real thing, and the inner workings of the markets, man. Yeah, that's how. Listen, the rich aren't going to make it easy, guys. The people who have billions of dollars are not going to make it easy for you and I to get billions of dollars. Smile, I got a Huffy that I got a Huffy if that counts. I go also like a bike. True that, Frodo. True that. Frank, maybe a few of us can enjoy a ride someday. We got to be talking about bikes, right? I'm bullish on MOAS. Me too, Product 202. Me too. I'm bullish on AMC's fundamentals. I don't want anybody to get that twisted, but I am bullish on a short squeeze. Otherwise, I would not be here, right? I like talking about AMC. I like hanging out with you guys, but dude, if I didn't think that AMC was going to squeeze, I would not be talking about a squeeze. There has been good news with some pharmaceutical stocks, yet the price decreases. Market manipulation is real. Yeah, Nufo. Pharmaceutical stocks, man, I've always viewed them as extremely dangerous. If you've got some money and you want to have some fun with it, and you don't want to play a risky options play, dude, buy a pharmaceutical company, especially one that's up for FDA approval. They can either get ripped to nothing or rip to 1,000% in a single day. So you definitely got the volatility and the risk associated with pharmaceuticals, man. It doesn't have to be easy, Clay. Just a bit more fair. Listen, yes, that's a good way to look at it, Frodo. I wouldn't want it to be easy, man. I wouldn't want it to be easy. Truly, think about it. If it was easy, what would even be the point? If you were guaranteed to go out and buy one share of AMC and you become a millionaire, what would the point be? That would be like, the U.S. government all of a sudden printing another $250 billion, and okay, well, great guys, we all can be millionaires. It could be like, we could be like Venezuela or something. We could all be millionaires, but it cost $1 million to buy a pizza. Worth being a millionaire at that point? Not necessarily. So I agree, Frodo. It doesn't have to be any easier, man. But I would appreciate a little bit of fairness, right? Paul, you might want to mount a 2-stroke on that piece on the Huffy. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, I know I missed something. No, I didn't doge all day. Thaw. Good. Holy raining cats and dogs, Batman. It's not raining here, JB. Did your unicorn horn get wet? JB, did your unicorn horn get wet, man? Come on. Another cool project is coming to RaceFi. What is that? It's a PvP, Play vs. Prayer. Is that what we got? PvE, don't know what that is. A racing metaverse that allows you to land cars at gas stations and much more. Not sure how to buy the tokens for the game yet. I do believe a bad takeover. That actually sounds pretty cool, man. If these people can develop cool games, I think it will attract a lot of people into playing them and buying the tokens. You need a Trust or Meta wallet. Yeah, you need I think a Meta wallet, MetaMask, is preferred, right? I think a lot of the people that are developing things out there prefer MetaMask for some reason. Soaked. Dang, man. JB's unicorn horn got soaked, guys. Dude, it's probably sad. It's like drooping over. It's kind of like my hair right now. It's just drooping over in the front. Oh, man, his unicorn horn's all wet. I'm bullish on milk and sugar. John Pringle. I would also be... Listen, you can actually be bullish on dairy and sugar, man. If you want to trade commodities, yeah, you can be bullish on milk and sugar. You can actually make a lot of money trading commodities. So... it's a lot more risky, I think, trading commodities because of the leverage they allow you to have. But, dude, if you want to make a lot of money trading commodities, be bullish on milk and sugar, dude. You might think it's funny, but you can make a lot of money doing it. Yes, don't buy that pizza, and you'll still be a millionaire. Just saying. Paul, that is true, man. I'm not going to go buy that pizza for $1 million. But what if a glass of milk costs $1 million, too? Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super sticker. Pika Power says, let's see what a real unicorn horn looks like. Clay Bro JB, man, this is for you. This is not a wet unicorn horn. This is a nice unicorn horn. You guys ready? Thank you very much. Pika Power for the unicorn horn, JB, man. That is for you. Appreciate the unicorn horn there. And JB, man, hopefully your unicorn horn is doing good and you're nice and dry in the car now. That is for JB. Peak of power. I love it. Quick thoughts on Shiba. Aaron, I like Shiba, okay? I like all the stuff that's going on with Shiba. I dislike the fighting that a lot of people just think that they can act immature and argue and things like that. Truly, guys, truly. It's the weirdest thing. A decentralized coin owned and operated and controlled by nobody. How can anybody think that they can determine what is right and what is wrong? I get it. Scams are wrong. Like, I don't want to see anybody scamming or thieving. That part is wrong. But developers want to build an ecosystem, build an ecosystem. People want to burn? Dude, you burn. You have no authority or no right whatsoever to discourage or diminish anybody else's thoughts and ideas and notions on how to take Shiba Inu coin to the next level. You don't own it. You don't control it. You have no more power, authority, pull, or anything above anybody else in the Shiba Inu coin community. I don't care if you own 1 trillion Shiba or if you own 1 Shiba. Like, you do not have any more stake than anybody else. So it is weird to me, man, to see Satoshi and Wenfloat and all these other guys on Twitter thinking they're gods when it comes to developing Shiba Inu coin. So that's my thoughts on that. Money has a gravity of its own. The bigger the stack, the more it will cause ripples and the waves throughout the world. These hedge funds already have a huge advantage with their stacks. No need to cheat. You know what, Frodo? That is, I don't know if this is like putting that in perspective at all, but they always say the first million is the hardest to make. After you make $1 million, it's almost guaranteed you're going to go to $5 million and $10 million if you just invest it right and not worry about it. It's almost guaranteed that you make more millions. But the first one is near impossible to reach. Otherwise, everybody would be a millionaire. So you're right, dude. When you've got the money, and you've got the control of that money, or even better, when you do have control, you're right, man. You're right. It's got its own gravitational force, and it becomes its own force to be reckoned with. Venezuela is Venezuela because of the U.S. sanctions and meddling. Look into it. You just spewed propaganda. Melamamas, I really don't care what the reasoning is behind it. Using it as an example of a place that I would not want to get to. I was not saying there's any reason behind it. I'm just saying that that's a place that I do not want to get to. Yes, Venezuela has a great leadership, says no one. So AMC touched $34 last week and sits at $21 today with low volume and no rationale. Sounds like there's no manipulation here. Markets are completely fraudulent. Hope the SEC doesn't touch crypto. Johnstown. I also hope that the SEC... Can you just imagine for a second, right? Imagine for a second the world of crypto where the SEC requires 5 years of your previous endeavors in order to start this crypto coin. 5 years of your previous financial expenses and financial records must be audited by an SEC approved audit team. You have to go out there and spend $250,000 in startup fees and paperwork. You have to hire an attorney. All of this just to start a crypto project. Okay? That could be regulation. That would be detrimental to a lot of projects taking off. I'm just saying, there's got to be some sort of a private startup and private coin at that point, not a public coin. Right? Maybe in order to be listed on a centralized exchange, you have to go through the paperwork. But if you're going to be listed on a decentralized exchange, dude, they can't touch it, man. They can't touch it. Aaron Hawley, keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Last set, guys. Keep it up. Oh my gosh, Aaron, thank you very much for the super sticker. I will keep it up, man. And you keep it up too. Thank you very much for that. Keep up the great content, man. 2 guys in a row saying keep it up. Love you guys. Something must be going on here. Keep up the great content. Got out of AMC after the last round up. Didn't gain or lose anything. Put money into dividend stocks. Still hope for AMC Moaz. JJ. Look, guys. Look. If JJ said this on a different channel, people would be, oh my gosh, you got out of AMC. I can't believe you, JJ. Look, at the end of the day, it's all of our own investment decisions that we make. JJ made the right decision for him. Hey, is he going to miss out on the squeeze if it happens? Absolutely. Is he going to be okay with that? At least he's going to have peace of mind along the way, and if he decides to jump back in later, he can jump back in later. JJ, I'm glad you got some peace of mind, man. D says, I hope Shiba will finally rise up. It's not looking good, but we need the patience, and it will pays off. So let's go to the Mars. And all USA peoples, I stand with you, so let's make purchases. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Congratulations, JJ, on 6 months. Boom! I appreciate all the member chats, by the way, guys. Thank you for everybody in there that's got that green name. It wouldn't be hard to get $1 million if our government and business wasn't ripping a hole in the U.S. Bad token. Listen. I still think it would be hard to accumulate $1 million. I think a lot of people spend a lot of money along the way that would stop them from getting there. But yeah, I mean, if there was less, not manipulation or corruption, man, but if there were less, I don't know the way to say that, but I do think that there's a certain aspect of the government that wants you to stay reliant on the government and wants you to continue being a part of the system. Right? The system that's out there, working every day, paying your taxes, building the government up, and you know, being a good little boy or being a good little girl. I think that there is a certain aspect of that they don't want to see you rise above. They don't want to see you rise above that reliance line, and that you're a part of the daily activity, you're in the grind, and you can't get out. I do think that there's that going on out there. Hey, if you heard about people, let's see, only have 3, hold on, I'll get yours in a second, only have 3.5 million shipping schedule, better than nothing. New folk, good deal, man. It is better than nothing, for real. Clay, have you heard about the people getting emails from CompuShare about an upcoming GameStop NFT dividend? Could be really good for AMC GME Squeeze if they can pull it off. Ryan Cohen tweets clues about it. Actually, that I have not heard. I don't think I follow a ton of people that are like GameStop specific on Twitter, so if it's related to GameStop, I'm either seeing somebody that is like AMC dedicated retweeting it, or you know, AMC and GameStop fighting with each other about, oh, we're the best one, no, you're the best one, things like that. So I've actually not seen that. Dude, if they did an NFT giveaway or an NFT dividend, that would be great. Here's the part that I'm not 100% sure how an NFT dividend would work. And hear me out on this. Because a short seller, a legal short seller, has to be able to provide that dividend that's being provided from the company. They have to provide that to the lender of that share. So, you know, legal short selling is allowed. GameStop at that point would at least have to provide legal shorts with a dividend to give to the lender as well. Cash, if the company offers a cash dividend, then the short seller just has to pay cash, right? Everybody's got access to money. Everybody's got the money. It's not like an NFT where it would be purely exclusive. So at that point, yes, this NFT dividend, I believe, would be a new concept, but they would have to make sure that the legal shorts would be able to provide the lender with that dividend as well. Now, beyond that, yeah, dude, expose the naked shorts all you want, because they will have no access to the dividend, or no access to the NFT dividend, no way of getting the NFT dividend. And if people don't end up with dividends in their accounts and NFT dividends in their accounts, they're going to be screwed. But at the same time, NFT dividends, man, they gotta be, it's got to be integrated with the brokers somehow, or easily transferred too. I think they got a little ways to go before we see NFT dividends, but I do think that I do think that it should be around the corner, man. I think that companies could greatly benefit from offering NFT dividends. It would be something that's basically free, right? It's almost like a stock or a share dividend. Doesn't cost the company nearly anything to do, but the shareholder has some sort of a value from it. And at that point, we're going to have to see what the market values it at, because if the dividend's valued at $10 and the stock is trading at 100, does the stock price come back down by $100, or do you literally just get a free dividend, free NFT out there? It's going to be very interesting to see what these NFT dividends do. Right, Clay? Somebody has to be the worker. Jonathan. We will rise up, man. We will rise up. But yes, they have that mentality that somebody has to be the worker. It's not, and I think that worker, I do think it's like a disrespectful term, okay? If you guys are managers out there, if you are business owners, man, the best thing that you can do is treat the people that you work with, even if they are under you, right? Even if they are your employees, the best thing that you can do is treat them not like workers, but like they're a part of the team. Like they're the ones that are keeping your business going. I know they don't have nearly as much riding on it as you do. They might not have nearly as much responsibility, but it's just, you gotta be able to treat people like you want them to show up the next day. If they want to show up the next day, man, you're gonna be so much better off than any. Get back to work, man. What are you doing in here? You're below me. They might be. Right? They might be, and they might have to respect your authority, but dude, do not have that worker. This is my worker. You go work for me. That's a bad look to have, man. You're going to be so much better off building something up by building people around you up that it's going to blow your mind. Frank, exactly, the people in control will never educate you enough to overthrow them. Tim, you guys are on to it, man. You guys are on to it. Dividends or depends? Weirdo Shrine. I would rather have dividends than depends. Let's see. If I was in the red, giving the price down, so I'm going to be late to pass player, maybe. Mariana, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mariana. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Mariana, absolutely appreciate that. You guys are incredible, man. I really appreciate all the super stickers. Mariana, you are amazing, and I really like that. That dog right there is so cute. Thank you very much, Mariana. You guys are amazing when you send super stickers. Click. I agree with you 100% on government wanting to keep us enslaved and part of the system. Government doesn't want us to rich. They want us to depend. Yeah, Simon, it's a way. I can't blame them, right? Because it's a way to stay in control and a way to stay in power. If we all were self-sufficient, which would probably be the most efficient way to live, but if we were all self-sufficient and not reliant on anything, or we weren't working for something else, I don't think that we are there as a society yet, but I don't think that what we've got going on is necessarily the best idea either, where, we are working for them, right? We're working to keep the people in power. I don't disagree with that at all, but I do agree, man. I do agree. They want us to stay working so that they can stay in power, man. And I can't blame them at the same point, right? They need us. They need us to do that. Good companies treat their employees well and compensate them well. This is how you build respect, trust, and loyalty, as well as getting the best productivity. Frodo, 100%, man. 100%. And it doesn't always amount to just money, right? I could pay you $250,000 a year, but if I treat you like dirt, you're still not going to like it. You're not necessarily going to want to come in. You're going to have your eye at the end of that tunnel right there, and you're going to be like, well, dude, I'm going to stack up. I'm going to push out as far as I can and just endure this crap with Clay Bro for the next 2 years, man. Make it $500,000, and I'm done. Dude, if I pay you a quarter of that and I treat you like, you're the greatest dude ever, and you enjoy and want to come in and see what you're able to accomplish the next day, there's going to be a difference in morale and mentality there. And it all doesn't boil down to money. It's if you feel like you're doing what you are called to do. And if you're not, man, you just move on, right? I can't have hard feelings against you for wanting to move on. You shouldn't have hard feelings against me for wanting to get the best out of you. Mousetraps work because the mouse doesn't understand why the cheese is free. Tim, it's very funny, man. I just caught a mouse the other day. Literally watched him. I got a video of it. Watched him go right into the trap, and yeah, they love walnuts and pecans too. True, Frodo is consuming the need companies. Big fighting gains our biz. Yes, yes, yes. AMC Chapter. Boom, guys. It is 5 o'clock. We're going to take off for now. We're going to have videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours. I want to say thank you to everybody that was hanging out. A wonderful chat this afternoon. Appreciate all of you guys. Mariana, thank you very much for that super sticker. Everybody that sent one today, appreciate all you guys, especially the unicorn and the cat there. All you guys are incredible. Get your names in the chat. Let's get some shout outs going on. Videos in 2 hours, videos in 3 hours. Make sure to like them, watch them, share them, all that good stuff. And if you do want a place to share the videos, you can just go to StockTwits, right? If you don't have any followers on Twitter or anything like that, or you don't want to share them on Twitter because you got some personal things going on, dude, go to the chat rooms on StockTwits. Nobody needs to know who you are there. You don't need any followers, and they still show up in the feed. So thank you in advance for all that. Let's get these shout-outs. Jonathan, man, Mo G, Oscar, see you later, Rito Shrine, Spaniard, have a good day. Frank, Tim, Frodo, Jonathan, Nufo, AMZ, Pluto, Spaniard, man, see you later, Mellow Mamas, AMC Trapper, Claybro, giving things, let's go, man. D. Gordon, JB, Cassie, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes, 1111 Simon, see you later, Samanino, Frank, SD, have a great evening, man. Mariana the Clay Whisperer, what is that, man? Mariana the Dog Whisperer, enjoy your evening. Fantasy Filters, Moji, Johnstontown, good night to you. Bad Takeover, Keith Kemp, later, bro. See you later, Keith. Enjoy your evening, man. Everybody else in here, Mariana, I don't know if Stephanie's in here, I don't know if Lauren's in here, whoever else is in here, thank you guys very much for hanging out. And I do want to say, just enjoy your evenings, and thank you in advance if you guys do watch the video. So you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.